Vodka and beers on the street are what most people think when Russia comes to mind. But there are many more interesting facts about Russia that you might not but should know because it will increase your knowledge. You take it from me. 100% increase in knowledge guaranteed. Now coming to the first fact. So it was a game that you played in your childhood. Now, are you able to guess that game? I think many of you have guessed it, but if someone has not, then let me tell you, it was the first Tetris game which came from Russia. Although this game gained popularity, the first edition of Tetris was invented in 1984 in the USSR by programmer and scientist Alexei Pozitnov. Now, coming to the second fact. So, it is about a possessed doll. Okay, I was kidding. So it is about the Matryoshka doll that has its root in Japan. The famous Russian wooden doll Matryoshka has a link to Japan. The story goes that Russian artist Sergei Malyutin, who was working on a design for a Russian wooden doll, was gifted a Japan Daruma doll, which had other dolls hidden inside it. Now, coming to the third fact. Russia's cats have jobs. What? And they even after applying for 10 to 15 jobs didn't get a response from anyone. It's a hard life for humans. And their cats are having jobs. Okay, never mind. Why would I mind? So let's see what jobs these cats are having. Hermitage Museum is a national treasure of Russia, and cats are a treasure of the Hermitage. These guardians protect priceless works of art from rats and are valued by the whole staff. Each cat even has a personal passport with a photo and receives a regular salary. अभी और सुनिए. Russia's stray dogs can navigate the metro. And in our country, people don't even come to know until the driver shouts, "Hey, side se chal, marna hai kya?" Now, let's know about it. To survive the city's harsh winters, Moscow's dogs have had to develop street smarts. While exploring the city's beautiful metro systems, you might spot one of its canine residents hopping on and off the trains. They have learned to identify the metro stops by the tannoy announcement, while others have befriended security guards. Now, coming to the last and fifth fact, and that is the coldest inhabited town on earth is in Russia. The town of Oymyakon in the Yakutia region, Siberia, is considered to be one of the coldest inhabited towns on earth. The coldest temperature was recorded in 1938 at jaw-dropping minus 77.8 degrees Celsius, and in Fahrenheit it was minus 108 degree Fahrenheit. Ooh, it was so cold.